Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Angela here. What it do? I have a double unboxing today, you guys, from Lewis. Keep watching. Alright, you guys, like I said, this is a double unboxing. I'm continuing my birthday month, girl. Yes, ma'am. So we're going to start with this box. This was something that I had to order. The other one I picked up in store. So right here, I'm having a time, sis, opening it up. But this is an item that I've been wanting for a moment. I took my time. I drug my feet in getting this item, which I should not have done, but that's okay. We're here now. Here's my receipt. Here is how it came packaged in the box. We see that it is a small item. Okay. And the item that I got, you guys, is the Kirigami card holder, you guys. Yay! So I finally was able to get me a Kirigami card holder now. I really wanted this in the green. I have been stalking the website for months, you guys, for months, because y'all know I'm a green girl. But it seemed like they're not coming back in stock anytime soon. So then I opted for blue. And it seems like the blue is not coming back in stock. I did see the yellow in store, but I didn't like the yellow. So I was like, pink, you know, I can live with the pink, breast cancer, all of that. So I went with this pink. This piece was made in Italy. And I think this will be so cute in my high-rise bum bag. And it does come with this little card holder. Now, I did try this out in store, so I do like the way that it functions. I do know that it will hold my cards just fine. And, you know, when I don't want to wear the whole thing, I can just carry my card holder, slide my card holder in my bag, and keep it moving. Or I can carry just the pouch by itself. I love this. I'm so glad that I finally got one. Even though it's not green, we love it anyway. Next, you guys, this is another item that, girl, I've been wanting this for years. I don't know why I haven't bought it. But like I said, it's my birthday. I said, spoil yourself, sis. So I finally got it. And as you can see by the shape of the box, that it is a fragrance, you guys. Here's the receipt as well. Now, I did pick this up in store, but I had it shipped to the store. They were sold out in my local stores. So the fragrance, you guys, that I got, here it is. Here's how it comes packaged and everything. So the fragrance that I got is, I think it said Apple J. I love this, y'all. I love the way it smells. It's long lasting. Here's the product code information. Y'all, I love this. Here is how the packaging looks. Here is how the bottle looks. I love. I have a few other Louis Vuitton fragrances, so I can just add this to my collection, and we love. And they also were kind enough to give me 2 samples. Girl, I can't say those names, but I am going to show you the fragrances, the names of the fragrances, girl, because we can't pronounce that. All right, you guys, so I'm going to put everything back in the box because, of course, I'm not going to use it right at this moment. But thank you guys so very much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like, share, subscribe. I love y'all. And I will see you all later. Bye-bye.